I love working on such rings. Such rings are sometimes the most simplest but most challenging. Do you know a marquee shape with the same weight you can have a very well spread out stone which can give you a look of a very bigger stone versus a deep cut stone can give you a stone of a much lesser weight size. And this kind of stone selection requires special guidance, special expertise, which is what I do for consumers like you. So if this kind of topic interests you, then you can stay on this video, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram to enhance your knowledge about diamonds and jewelry. I'm your diamond expert, Hemant Thakur, educating you over past 2 decades so that you buy it safer, cheaper and better. Today's ring is a beautiful 2-carat natural diamond marquee shape ring set in 18-carat yellow gold with a hidden halo and with a claw prong, 6 claw prong set. And you can see how gorgeous it looks like. I'm trying to give you all the views, side views and profile views so that you exactly know the beauty and the importance of this. So let's deep dive into the whole thing about this this ring. I would say when the customer, someone from Milford, Connecticut, reached out to me viewing our videos on YouTube, they started inquiring about if we can help them source a beautiful marquee shaped diamond and what makes it more beautiful. How is it any better, different than buying it from e-tailers? Let me tell you, break it down. If there are say 100 marquee shaped diamonds available in the market, every e-tailer will have their own share of inventory listed on their site. To avoid duplication, you might be missing out on the other inventory that is available by not viewing onto another website. Whereas for me, all the stones are available. So that gives me an added advantage over your e-tailer to offer you stones that is completely available in the diamond inventory worldwide. So once we discuss on the budget and the customer's requirement, we scout around in the wholesale market in Mumbai, in New York, where most of these diamond inventories are available, and start inspecting the stone. When we inspect, we not only look at the report of the stone, but we also view it with the help of right tools under the right lighting conditions so that we can see what kind of impurities are there in the stone, whether they are desirable, not desirable, we can take or we cannot take these kind of stones. And once the diamond are chosen, we start offering the information to the customer, like a live shot video, image, report, etc. On that basis, customer we started communicating like why is this one particular better than the other stone and so on and so forth. This one particular stone is graded by a reputed laboratory like GIA. It is a 2-carat G color Si2 grade, excellent polysymmetry, medium fluorescent. The beauty is 14 millimeter length of the stone, like really nice and elongated stone, which actually fits the shape of the finger of the person who is going to wear it. So once we could understand in depth of customers' requirement, we could actually give them what kind of stone they should buy. The final call is customers, but they actually selected this one particular stone. Now we discuss about the shape of the stone. Let's deep dive into discussing about the SI grade of the stone. Very much possible is that SI, when you buy an SI grade stone, there are cavities, there are indented natural, there are dark crystals, there are feather, there's some kind of hairline open inclusion in the stone which can be vulnerable to break in future. So when we inspect all of that, we keep those aspects in mind, which you might not be able to detect it at first. When you browse over the internet, you might get into get confused between several choices, several options, and might not be able to make the right decision. Whereas when me and my team work in to help you select a stone, we take care of all these aspects. Now you might be thinking, why do I discuss so much about diamond? Because 90% of the budget of this ring goes behind a diamond. So it is very much essential for you to know where your money is going. It should go to the right place. So selecting the right diamond can be sometimes a time consuming thing, but it should go through a proper process, an expertly process. And once the diamond is selected on basis of clarity, we start seeing the diamond under a color card, where we place the stone under a color card, and with the help of right color of the light, we are able to gauge it whether it has the right shade in the diamond. Unfortunately, I'm not able to show you the color card. So once the stone is handpicked, of the tens of options, the client selected this stone because it has nice, excellent polish symmetry, nice length width ratio. The impurities are not visible to the naked eye. The stone was selected. We started discussing about the ring design. They wanted to have a beautiful, 70% cover of diamonds on the shank with a hidden halo and a 6-prong claw setting. All the in-depth discussion of customization of this ring were discussed. We prepared a CAD file, which is a computer-aided design file. On that basis, the casting was done, the diamonds were set, and now is securely getting delivered at the customer's doorstep. We want you to take advantage of this service, where you sit in your home comfort and an expert works on your requirement and offer you much better than what your expectation is of any diamond jewelry. So if this interests you, with a small fee of $30, we initiate this inquiry and offer you all the vital information, make the piece exactly as per your expectation, or most likely beat your expectation, offer you proper finish. It is like exactly, like you walk into a restaurant and, you say what kind of, taste you have, and someone prepares a food exactly according to your requirement. This is what we do with diamonds and jewelry. So if that interests you, then I look forward to your requirement. Thank you.